This is Economics Chapter 1 The Story of Village पालमपुर। मैंने फर्स्ट पार्ट करवा दिया है, सेकंड पार्ट स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ। फर्स्ट MCQ क्वेश्चन है, देन NCERT क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन फिजिकल एंड ह्यूमन कैपिटल। सॉल्यूशन, फिजिकल कैपिटल, ह्यूमन कैपिटल। फर्स्ट फिजिकल कैपिटल पढ़ेंगे। Intangible can be sold in the market. Second, can be separated from the owner. Third, mobile between countries. If trade restriction followed. Fourth, can be built only through imports and create only private benefit. Then human capital पढ़ेंगे। फर्स्ट, intangible built in the body and mind of its owner. Second, inspirable cannot be sold anywhere but only services can be sold. Third, hardly mobile restricted by nationality. Fourth, it depends on a person's choice whether she wants to raise the earning or not. It creates both private and social benefit. नेक्स्ट पेज पे चलते हैं। एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड फर्स्ट नहीं करेंगे। मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड रिक्वायर मोर इनपुट्स विच आर मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन इंडस्ट्री। डू यू agree? Solution, yes, we do agree that modern farming method required more input which are manufactured in industry. It is because of the following reason. The first, tools are manufactured in iron and steel industry. Second, fertilizer and pesticides are provided by chemical industry. Third, various inputs are provided by different industries. Question number third, how did the spread of electricity help farmer in Palampur? Solution, the spread of electricity helped farmer in Palampur in the following ways. First, it ensured proper irrigation facility. Second, it helped the farmers set their own private tube well. Third, it enabled the farmer to grow more crops. Question fourth, is it important to increase the area under irrigation? Why? It is important to increase the area under cultivation because of the following reason. First, high yielding variety HYV seeds require more water. This requirement can be fulfilled by adequate irrigation facilities. Second, irrigation reduces the dependency on rain. Third, it also helps to increase crop production. Then question number 5th, construct a table on the distribution of land among the 450 families of Palampur. Solution, following table shows the distribution of land among the farmer of Palampur. Total family is 450, then medium family 60, then small family 240, then land less family 150. Question number 6, why are the wages for farm labor in Palampur less than minimum wages? Solution, the wages of farm labor in Palampur are less than minimum wages because of the following reason. First, majority of land is occupied by large farmers, so small farmers have less land. Second, the small farmer have to work as farm land laborers to earn their livelihood. Third, high competition forced them to accept low wages. Question 8. What are the different ways of increasing production on the same piece of land? Solution. Production can be increased on the same piece of land by adopting following methods. First, by developing better irrigation facility. Second, by multiple cropping, that is by growing more than one cropping on a piece of land during the year. Third, by adopting modern farming method by sowing. Fourth, by sowing high yielding variety HYV of seeds. Fifth, by using cow dung and other natural manure as fertilizer. Then question number 9. Describe the work of farmer with 1 hectare on land. Solution. Small farmers perform multiple tasks to earn their livelihood. They do the following activities. First, small farmer can cultivate their land in less time. Second, they do no non-farming activity. Third, they also work as farm labor. Question number 10th. How do the medium and large farmer obtain capital for farming? How is it different from the small farmer? Medium and large. First point, they have large land and they grow more crops. Second, by selling crop they can earn more money. Third, so they are able to arrange their own capital for next agriculture season. Then topic, small farmer. First point, they have less land and they grow less crop, therefore they earn less money. Second point, to arrange their capital they have to borrow from large farmer or village money lender on high rate of interest. Question number 11th. On what term did Savita get loan from Tejpal Singh? What would Savita condition be different if she could get loan? Solution. Following are the term and condition on which Savita got loan from Tejpal Singh. First, a high rate of interest. Second, she was compelled to work as farm labor on Tejpal's land. Third, she got low wages. Fourth point, had to undergo great distress to repay loan. Then she could have got loan from the bank on the following term and conditions. First point, she could have got subsidy on land. Second, she could get loan on low rate of interest. Third, there are easy formalities and autonomy for the borrower. Fourth, there is no mental pressure on the borrower to repay loan amount. Question number 12. What are the non-farming production activity taking place in village Palampur? Solution. Farming is the list of non-farming activity taking place in village Palampur. First point, dairy milk or milk based product manufactured and sold. Second, small scale manufacturing of jaggery means good. Third, shop, people operate grocery shop and sold out daily use item. Fourth, transport, people purchase auto rickshaw and do fairly well to earn money. This is economics chapter 1. I will done in this video question answer and one MCQ I make second video. Thank you for watching.